Hi guys, welcome back to another recipe episode in the kitchen with Sandy. I am so happy to have you with me today. You know, when you see this face, you're going to get an absolutely amazing recipe coming at you. I am so happy to share with you today a very quick and easy, delicious recipe for hot Italian sausage and peppers and onions and garlic and all that good stuff that goes together. I already have a recipe on here for, I think, like a kielbasa and salsa, or kielbasa and pepper and onion quick throw together. This is just an Italian sausage hot. I like to use the hot ones, and peppers and onion recipe. I just want to share with you because it is so quick, it's so easy, it's so versatile. You can eat this if you're doing the low carb dish just by itself. You can make just plenty of it and just eat, and it's so good. Delicious, you're gonna like it. Or you could take a nice hoagie bun, hot dog bun, put all this stuff on top of it and eat it like a just like an Italian sausage sandwich. You can serve it over rice, you can serve it over noodles, you can serve it any way you please, but one thing's for sure, you're gonna like it any way that you serve it up. So let's go ahead and get started. Today we're using 3 of the spicy hot Italian sausages. Feel free to use the sweet ones or the mild ones, or whatever you know, floats your boat. Anyway, we're gonna add just a little bit of olive oil to our skillet. You're only gonna need about a good tablespoon because we just wanna get the Italian sausages started there. I've got my pan on about medium, and we're just gonna add these right to the pan, and we're gonna just sear them on all sides until they get nice and brown. Did you see me throw that one in there? You see that? Now once these come up to temperature, we're just going to sear them until they're nice and brown on all sides. Let me show you what else we're going to be using today. I've got some yellow pepper, sweet pepper. I've got some green pepper, some onions. I just kind of roughly cut, sliced in half because I like them nice and chunky. And then we're also going to use, I've got about, where are they? I've got about a half a cup of the diced tomatoes over here in a can. Petite diced tomatoes, and a little bit of garlic, fresh garlic, and that is all we are going to use for this recipe. Let's go ahead and get these brown, and I'll show you the next step. How beautifully brown that is. It's kind of hard to brown these type of sausage on all the sides since it's round. These are not done, so please do not try to eat them yet. We're going to finish cooking them. We're going to add just a little bit more olive oil to this pan. You want to turn your heat down just a little bit to about medium. I had it on slightly over medium, medium-high. And then we are going to add our veggies in there. Listen to that sizzle. No, this is going to be delicious. And go ahead and give that a nice stir. And you know what I like about this is the drippings from the Italian sausage is also in there as well, and that's going to add a nice flavor to your vegetables. We're going to add just a little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper, give that a nice stir. And then you're going to go ahead and add in your garlic. We're going to use about a clove and a half of garlic. Give that a nice toss. And you're going to let these cook down for about 2 to 3 minutes until they start softening up just a little bit. Alright, this is perfect. Now I want you to go ahead and add about a half of a can of the petite diced tomatoes. It's a 14.5 ounce can. So you're going to add about 7 ounces to that. You're going to give it a nice toss, nice stir. And those tomatoes are going to break down a little bit and liquefy. Somewhat, but they're still going to have a beautiful color and a beautiful taste to go right along with the other veggies. Boy, that cooled that off quick, didn't it? Where's my sizzle, my friends? Look how beautiful that is. Get down in that pot. Get down in that pot and look at that. We're gonna add these right back in there. Look at that. Yummies. Go ahead, and any juice that came off your sausage, put in there. How are you kidding? We gotta have that. Can you see the beautifulness of that dish? I just love it, love it, love it, love it. The abundance of color, oh my goodness, and the abundance of flavor. Now, what we're gonna do is put our lid on it. We're gonna turn this down to about medium-low. Make sure you keep your eye on it because you definitely don't want this to burn. This is phenomenal. We're gonna let this cook till the sausage gets done, probably about 10, 12 minutes. Max, if that. I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. You're gonna like this. These cooked, you know what, I'm gonna make it nice and pretty for you. I cooked these an additional 15 to 20 minutes. I just wanted to make sure that they were nice and done. And my house smells phenomenal. I love the way peppers and onions smell cooking, don't you? I just love it. Let's try to make a nice little bed of the peppers there. Look at that, look at that. No, this is not my plate, guys. Let's take you back just a little bit so you can see me serve this up beautifully. I'm just gonna put some peppers right around the side. Like I said, you can get you a nice hot dog bun, sub bun, and make you a nice sandwich, like an Italian sausage sandwich, and like a hoagie bun. Or you can make you some rice or some noodles. Ooh, that's hot. This is absolutely perfect. Look at that. Oh, left a pepper in there. Don't leave out any of the goodness. Push this back to the side. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. Let's go over to the light. Lovely. Fork, knife in hand. And you know I'm going in for a bite. I love Italian sausage. And it's done to perfection, and I'm gonna get a bite of that. And some peppers and onions. Deliciousness. You know it's gonna be hot. Mmm. That is perfection. Make me do my victory dance. I love this. I certainly hope you like this recipe. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, because you're missing a whole lot of goodness in my kitchen if you haven't subscribed. Make sure you're hitting that notification bell so you know when I'm posting these recipes for you. You know I love you so very much. I could eat this whole plate. I appreciate you watching. Appreciate each and every one of you so much for supporting this channel, and nothing else to say, but I got a date with this plate. I'll see you next time. Bye. Take care.